siya ganun kataas, tinataas mo masyado.
Hindi nga mataas. Hindi nga ganun.
I know that you love me. Don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see us in the future. I know that you love me.
I know
Iwan mo.
that you
Hindi,
love.
meron kasing lyrics niya na video mismo.
Comment!
Hindi, Billie Eilish.
Ayun. One flower lyrics.
I know that you love me. And I know that you love me. And I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Wanna put it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wanna put it all behind me. Wow.
Isa ba? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ano?
Go. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I... 1, 2, 3, go.
Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I...
Tama yun sa'yo. Huwag ka malilito. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wanna put it all... Wanna put it all behind me. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see. Baby, I see.
Ano ba?
In a baby, I...
Ganun.
Baby, I see.
Ulit, 1, 2, 3, go.
Pag ako mag-isa, kaya ko yan.
Kaya mo yan. Kahit ako. Kahit kasama ko yan. I mean, kahit kasama mo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wanna put it all behind me. Huwag kang sumaya.
Mamaya.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see.
Yun, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayun, maangas tayo, pare. Okay.
Second voice.
Ay, ikaw nga. Wanna put it all behind me, baby, I
Wanna put it all behind you. Huwag na lang na. Good things don't let me. Put it all behind me. I know that you manonood lang kayo dyan. I know that you love me.
malaki boses.
Baby,
Eh, si Billy, hindi ko siya malakas.
pero malakas yung ano niya.
Told me to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see her in the back of my mind. Oh, that's right. It's like a fever, like I'm burning alive, like a star.
Hi, Marie!
Maris, para sa ito. Like.
Put it all behind me. We're different.
Try nga mag-sing. Nakasal si Billy para lumak sa boses mo.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Parang ka nagpapatulog eh.
I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see her in the back of my mind. Oh, that's right.
Okay ba yun?
Oh, that's
Oh, walang sound. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait lang. At yung kinakapa ko ba yun?
Hindi ka makasing.
Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see her in the back of my mind. Oh, that's
Ano yung kulot doon?
It's like a fever in the back of my mind. Oh, that's
Akin yun. Ito, sa'yo.
Sa'yo yan.
Nasaan yun sa'yo? Ayun, ito akin. Ayaw.
I know that you love me. Put it all behind me. Baby, I see her in the back of my mind. Oh, that's right. It's like a fever, like I'm burning alive, like a star.
Last one. Tapos, ano na da, acapella.
You told me to remind me, happy and free. I know that you love me. You told me to remind me. Put it all behind me. I see. I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see her in the back of my mind. Oh, that's right. It's like a fever, like I'm burning alive, like a
Ayan, tayo.
I know that you love me.
Yung mumina ka na naman. Parang,
Ano?
and
Ay,
I know that you
ginagaya mo kasi si Bailey.
Si Bailey.
Bailey Eyelash.
Okay.
Okay. I know that you love me.
Lakas pa.
I know that you love
Kasi
me.
ganyan, loko mo na naman eh. And I know that you love me.
Ano ka nung Good sa dulo.
And I know that you love me.
I know that you love me.
You don't need to remind me.
Ikaw na mag-isa.
Sige na.
Kasi naman, singer siya.
Ikaw din, singer ka din. I don't wanna keep us low-key. Sige. Yun na. Game.
Mag-toothbrush tayo.
Nag-toothbrush ba tayo? Game.
I know that you love me.
Hinihinaan kasi yung ganda naman yung buhok. Okay naman kapag gano'n kaya. And I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me.
Hindi, wait lang. Yung natitrigger yung playback kasi.
Inom ka, Marker. Turkey Jo. Turkey ipis na yung hindi.
Magaling ako nakatayo.
Galing na tayo ah.
I know that you love me.
You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see it in the back of my mind.
Bawal akong gumanon.
Ano?
Magpalsito.
Hindi, bawal ka palseto. Kasi pag nagpalseto ka, dinaig mo pa yung second voice mo. Ang melody. In the back of my
Hindi,
mind.
ako kasi palsito girl ako.
Isa pa.
I know that you love. Hindi na mo.
And I know that you love me.
Madali sa yan. Nagbo-voice lesson ka.
Hindi ako nagbo-voice lesson, mamatay ka man. Never pa ako nag-voice lesson.
Eh di nagbo-voice coach ka.
Hindi ako nagbo-voice coach.
Kaya nag-practice kayo ng voices mo.
Hindi. Kumakanta lang ako palagi. Game. Game.
1, 2, 3, go. And I know that you...
May hina ka na naman.
Ano ba yung malakas?
And, hindi kasi alam mo ba't ayoko mahina ka? Kasi pag gumihina yung boses mo, napapalseto mo. And I know that you love me. Don't it? I think
Gaganon ka nun.
Oh, sige, isa pa. Dapat kasi isa pa, hindi ko kasi nakita.
And I know that you love...
And I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. Baby, I see it in the back of my mind all the time. Just like a fever. Like, ano mo? Mag-iba na tayo ng kanta. Kasi hindi
Ay,
magkasundo eh.
nakalimutan ka.
Huwag yan. May broken ka pa rin? Okay na.
Yung tanga eh. Nung para tayong tanga. Ayan! Ayun! Ay, favorite ko yan! Ba't kasi may paganon?
O ikaw? Ba't ikaw kasi?
Ikaw kasi eh.
Ako, di naman ako nangiiwan eh. Kailangan mo pang puntahan eh.
Baka ma-issue tayo. Sinasampal kita.
Baka sampalin din kita pag dinampal mo ko.
Sampalin kita.
Oo nga,
Sampalin mo ko.
Ayoko.
Sampalin mo.
Huwag, baka magkasuhan tayo. Sige.
Oh. Baka kumalat na sinasampal kita.
Guys, walang sampalang nagaganap. Baka ano ah.
Hindi, sampalin mo.
Okay ka na din. Kasi punta mo na pala ako sa likod. Ina. Bakit gano'n?
Medyo. Hindi yan lang ate, ganyan lang. Papakinggan ko lang yan, seryoso.
Ayoko niyan.
Gusto ko yun.
Ay, sige na nga.
Sige, please.
Masakit lalamunan ko ngayon.
Hindi, wag mo pumipilit kung di mo kaya. Di wag mong banda doon. Dali.
Oh, ikaw sa ano?
Chorus ako.
Chorus ako. Hindi ko kaya yung ano mababa.
Di ko alam ulit yun eh. Narinig ko na yun sa'yo eh.
I can't believe- Hi, MJ!
Ano, wala
Hi,
ka.
Vitamin!
I can't believe what I just heard.
Ah, di ko kakantahin yun pag di mo inayos.
Eh, hindi ko alam yan. Could it be true?
Are you the girl? Are you the girl I thought I knew? Gusto ko lahat ng kanta ko alam.
Aalamin ko lang.
The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Where did it go?
Nag-viral po yung video niya.
Thank you, Blue. Sakit eh. Ayun. Ulan!
Drama tayo. Thank you. Drama yun. Okay. Ito na siya.
Ang sakit. Lakas mo yung music. Ikaw sa una, ikaw sa pangalawa.
Gusto ko yung, di ba sabi mo to? Yung sa this much. This much. May ganun kayo. This much.
Ano yun? This much.
May pag ganun yung kinanta mo nung nasa CR ka. Na naliligo ka sa...
Mas maganda kasi yung boss ko pag random ako kumanta. Pero pag yung ano, planado, hindi talaga.
Oo, 2 million.
Heart that feels like it will never love this much
Ayun!
again.
Yan na, yun.
Oh, may sakit na. Ah, game.
Ay, magmukha pa kantahin kasi okay na yan.
Gara ko sinong mic eh. Huwag mo na dyan, Ton. I'm holding on. Thank you, Jim. Thank you, JJM. When you cries in my condition, I don't wanna be alone. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of can't figure out what I'm sure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose that control, and something takes over me. And days that it's so amazing, it's not a phase. You're saving me from the sadness along my ride. Your love is so sweet, and it knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Maganda yung all or nothing.
Sige. All or nothing kami, guys. Parang yung gifts nyo.
Buy cheaper with Agoda.
Aray.
Sorry.
Hindi, okay yan. Ganda naman. Time after time.
Para drama.
Sakto yung ano yung tugtugin.
Sakto eh, no?
Ayos, eh.
Ganyan dapat mga sinisend yung mga pang ganun.
Feels the bottom of something's never. Yeah, ikaw na. I know.
Mali
Sabi
ka.
sa boses mo yan.
Mali ka. Dapat, ano eh, singer na singer ka, ganyan ka.
Hindi, mali ka. Ikaw.
Ano when he's been your
Kiss in your eyes. I thought every time you'd realize.
it's all. Maganda kasi may ano yun eh, ganun.
It's not the way I choose to live. It's something someone's got to give. Share with this relationship. It's all you know if I feel, but how
kinasal tayo, gusto ko yan. As a friend.
Gusto mo ako din kakanta?
Hindi.
Baby, you're all that I want. Ako naman nakatawa.
Hindi, diba?
Kakanta ko.
Hindi, pag kinasal tayo. As a friend,
Ah, sige.
Buriko. Gusto ko, may dalawang pintuan. Doon ka lalabas sa isa, tapos doon ako sa isa. Ayoko nang maghihintay ako or ikaw. Gusto ko sabay tayo papasok. Tapos may kikita tayo, ganun.
Tapos may kikitain tayong mga lalaki.
Hindi!
Ay, hindi. Ari ko.
Kakainin ko yung ugat mo.
Hindi man tayo bati.
Hindi, paano nga? Ganyan, di ba? Diba, ganyan. Lakad tayo ganyan. Kumakala tayo, tuwid. Mag-limit tayo na gitna.
Huwag ka gumano natatanggal filter. Bagay siya.
Nakakainis siya, nagtitilit siya eh. Totoo, triangle method yan. Yan na, yan na. Yan na, magkikita tayo sa gitna. Yan. Sabay tayo sa altar. Papunta sa altar. Yan na, yan na. Ano yung mga parents natin? Yung mga parents natin magbibless sa isa't isa. Tapos ayun, umiiyak na sila. Uupo na tayo. Ahimig na tayo na tayo. Tatayo na tayo sa harapan. Tapos kakano tayo, nandun tayo sa stage. Ay, altar pa lang. Wala bang kiss? Sa ano ba na yun? Kiss the bride? Alam mo kung kumakanta ka, lalo kung gumaganda sa paningin ko.
Totoo?
Hmm.
Thank you.
Ano?
Ano?
Kani-kanina lang. Okay, jamming na tayo. Mas namin magkaklase tayo. Kaklase tayo. Gigitara ako. Ikaw ka na. Kanta ka. Let's go!
Umagana, Anong
Real
card yan?
short. Short movie and
Ay,
TV.
tatlo dapat yung ganyan. G.
Download today and get started.
G yan, G. G. Tapos A. C. F.
G, ito.
This
Ito yun.
is the largest Theme Park in Seoul. It's the perfect mix of an afternoon
G
view.
nga yun! Di ba G yung ganon? Yung
Bodting. kanta na kinakanta namin.
Anong kinakanta ba natin? Bukod sa rainbow na yan.
Kinakanta natin. Incomplete.
Lagi na lang rainbow at incomplete, guys. Wala bang ibang request dyan?
Ay, Careless Whisper.
Basta sasayaw ka. Aray, aray, aray.
Say, stop daddy. Undeniable.
Amoyin ko yan.
Okay lang. It's unbelievable.
Then let me show you now that I'm for. If all things
Mahal kita, Amanda. Sige.
what?
Ah, okay.
You want for me and
Forever tayo.
fight.
Diba
But
anak
that's
natin?
right. Ever I believe my work is done. Then I started back over.
It's so incredible the way this is.
Cause one, you're the number one, two. Ika'y may number two, three.
I love you.
You're the only one for me. And four, that's 1, 2, 3, 5. Make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my word is done. Love to the dark night, I see the coming of the sun.
My girl.
Feel like a little child, 'cause life has just begun. Getting a brand new life, until there's only highlight. Though I'm my life, just seems to make no sense.
One, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three,
Girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one. Meron mo naman eh, kakabati lang eh. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back in one. Ito.
Pagsabay-sabay ang mga kuan-kuan. Diskarte dyan.
Ikaw yung chorus.
Kasi hindi ako
Magbilis pa
nalilito.
na sa apa.
yung mas mukha kapag nagko-chorus. Habang ikaw yung rapper. Ay,
Ayoko niyan eh. Hindi naman ako
Voltes 5, 1, 2, 3, 9, 2.
Alam mo ba? Na I was 3 years old nang ikaw ay na-meet na nalulungkot nang ika'y nawala. Ano ba ang mali na aking nagawa? Pakiusap naman kahit na sandali, para lang mapawi ang mga bigate at muling ngumiti at di na umiyak. Magpakita ka lang, gusto kong matiyak na buhay ka pa rin at ika'y malangkas. Gumawa ka ulit ng mga sopas at kapag bumalik, ngingiti ng pusa at hindi na ako magmamahal pusa.
Gagawin pa natin to, pero pag ginawa na, kasi sabi ko aralin mo to, hindi mo naman inaaral. Try lang, ako si Chris Brown. Okay, it's Chris Brown, baby. Let's go Carrie Hilson. I haven't cried and cried for weeks. How to survive and I can barely speak. Barely eat on my knees. You came to me. I don't know what your love is telling me. Think I'm invisible as the through me I used to be. You changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me. Your love, I'm feeling all superhuman. You did this to me. Superhuman, pleasing me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Superhuman. Bagay mo. Sa'yo bagay to eh. Superhuman. We're going strong. 'Cause I've been playing in the wrongs. These songs like I had it all alone. I can see tomorrow. It's unbelievable to see. I've never been so ba yun? Parang babae kumanta na.
Si Nia.
Take it in my body like it's holy.
Ayoko na. Hell knows.